How to earn money on Fiverr. In order to know how to earn money on Fiverr, we should know how to get started on Fiverr. Register for a new account. In order to make money on Fiverr, you must be a registered user. Create a seller profile, create a gig, send offers to buyers, website development jobs, graphic design jobs, copywriting, video marketing. So, to put it simply, Fiverr is an online marketplace that offers a wide variety of services, tasks, and mini jobs. Founded in 2010, Fiverr aims to provide an online platform where freelancers can advertise and list their available digital services. On the site, you will find millions of gigs for every type of skill, whether you are a designer, web developer, lawyer, or even a musician. By connecting sellers directly with freelancers, Fiverr has grown to become one of the largest websites to offer an online service exchange. Its popularity in the industry makes it a desirable way to earn money while traveling as a side gig and even professionally. Do you have a special talent or skill that others would find useful? Maybe you are good at designing logos, websites, or wedding invitations. The process of finding Fiverr jobs is fairly straightforward, but first it's important to understand the two different parties involved in the transaction. Here's how Fiverr works. Seller. If you are a freelancer looking for work, then you are what Fiverr considers a seller. A seller can list any type of service they want, along with how much they would like to be paid. Your chances of being hired depends on your experience in your industry and your experience on Fiverr. Buyers. If you are looking to purchase a service, you are the buyer. A buyer has something they need to be completed, whether it's a specific task, job, or project. They can be businesses, companies, or even individual people. On Fiverr, buyers hire sellers in order to help them accomplish this work. Fiverr is a two-way communication platform, which means both buyers and sellers have the opportunity to find each other. A buyer can browse through the profiles for sellers that meet their requirements, or a seller can look through buyer requests for tasks that match their skills. Once a buyer and seller find each other, they will agree on a set goal, time frame, and price. Then it's up to the freelancer to do what do they best. Work, work, work. Making money on Fiverr. Making money on Fiverr is easier than ever, but by completing the following steps, you can be running up with Fiverr in no time. Register for a new account. In order to make money on Fiverr, you must be a registered user. So, your first step is to sign up for a new account. Once you enter your contact information and details, you will receive an email confirmation link. After you confirm your new account, it's time to start browsing for work. Create a seller profile. Your profile is perhaps the most important way to get a job on Fiverr. It's your opportunity to showcase your experience, skills, and history to buyers. Essentially, you need to sell yourself with your profile. This is the first thing buyers see when deciding who to hire, so make your first impression a good one. Create a gig. Now that you have a descriptive profile, you will want to create a gig to share with potential buyers. You will need to provide information on your services, requirements, and what you will charge. Think of the Fiverr gig as your job description. After reading your profile, a buyer will look through your gig to see if you are a good fit for their project. Send offers to buyers. Although you can sit back and relax while buyers look through your profile, you will get more gigs if you work proactively. Some buyers will post a request for a service which explains what they need to be done, when they need it, and how much they are willing to pay. As a seller, you can browse these requests and send offers directly to the buyer. How much does Fiverr cost? Creating an account with Fiverr is completely free. This is one of the best features of the website. It won't cost you a penny to browse or see what gigs are available. As a buyer, you pay Fiverr upfront for the cost of the gig, as well as administration fees, and the fee will depend on how much you are paying for the gig. The fee for gigs under $40 is $2 or 5% on gigs above $40. For example, if you are willing to pay $10 for a blog article, you will pay $2 to Fiverr before hiring a seller. As a seller, you will be paid after the gig has been successfully completed. It's important to note that you will only be paid 80% of the total order value. Fiverr keeps the other 20% as a commission fee. So you can, in this way you can earn a lot of money through Fiverr.